Digi-Up actually started from a competition back in our polytechnic days, where we actually created a board game to teach seniors about scams. From then on, we grew it to what we know now as the social enterprise that we have, where we actually run different digital workshops for them to upskill themselves and learn how to stay safe. So for our CNY class, we wanted to see what are the different ways that we can give back to the community. So we got seniors to actually try different scenarios, like learning about their zodiac signs and their luck in 2026, or even learning about how to make reunion dinners with their leftover food in the fridge. So more of looking at how they can use artificial intelligence to apply into their everyday lives, but in the context of Chinese New Year.
To me, ChatGPT is very useful because we can share whatever we think is relevant and we can use it anytime, anywhere.
I joined this workshop is because I like to learn more advanced things like ChatGPT, which is more technical, so that I can advance together with society.
So for our board game SIMI Scam is actually inspired by our own personal stories from the co-founders, where our own grandparents actually got scammed. So we actually include different points of scam education within the game itself. So we actually teach seniors about different scams with the 3 difficulty levels within our game. At points of reaching the scam chance boxes, seniors will actually have to answer a scam question, where we actually test them on what they would do in the face of a scam scenario. For our SIMI Scam program, the way it differs is that we put a lot of priority towards intergenerational learning as well as focused facilitation. So rather than it being a sit-down lecture, we actually do it in a way that is facilitated by our youth volunteers. So that way, the seniors actually get the support that they need all throughout the lessons, and also they will have someone to ask if they have any queries or any concerns. And by putting it in a social setting of it being fun and memorable through a game, it actually makes seniors less stressed to actually learn something that seems quite daunting to them. So it makes the whole experience more memorable as well as more delightful.